Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a video for you guys about the cheap earphones that I actually bought on Lazada, and I'm not sure you guys can see this. I did an unboxing video on this as well, so it's actually I got it around 20 something, but I think right now it's around 30 something, but I'll link it down below. And today's video is actually about what I do think about it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, I would like to address, ignore the background sound. If you hear any bird chirping non-stop, I've been hearing it all day long. But you know what, it's actually fine. I'm just okay with it. I have to live with it. I have no other choice. I have no idea where they come from. Okay, enough about that. So let's get into the earphone. So the first thing first, this earphone, wireless earbuds, is actually really great and it's very small. And the best part about this is it has USB-C. And why I do like about the USB-C is because one thing is everything now is a lot in USB-C. Even though I still prefer the Edifier X3, even though the price differences, but you know, with the Edifier X3, it comes with a micro USB, which is a huge bummer. So I really prefer it in USB-C and actually use this a lot. And for battery life, it's actually not that bad. The maximum usage I have used without putting into the case is around more than 4 hours. But other than that, it lasted quite long. And then I tried to put another 4 more hours without charging the case as well. And went through 8 hours straight with no problem. But the downside about this is where you can't really see the battery percentage, except if your phone can tell you, but you can't tell the casing's battery percentage. But you can only tell your earphone battery percentage. Other than that, it's just pretty much good. Sound quality is a little bit bassy. I mean, I'm not really a huge fan of like a lot of bass and little clarity, but I feel like it still sounds pretty good. I mean, it's not as good as the Edifier X3. The X3 is more perfectly balanced compared to these, and this is only 20 ringgit. And if you like something very super bassy, this is something for you guys. So yeah, if you guys are really interested, just go to the link below and you guys can purchase it. I actually really do like looking for cheap products like this. It's actually very interesting to go through it and buy and play around with it. And surprisingly, I like how compact this size is compared to the X3. This is actually smaller than the X3. So sliding in my pocket, not an issue. And I do have the Edifier TWS1. That is a bit of a tech boy. That tech boy is really hard for me to travel around with it, especially even though right now we are under movement control order. So I mean, I don't use it a lot, so I'm probably using it indoor. And with a lot of Edifier, one thing about Edifier issue is the connection with the buds. It gets loose pretty easily, and this one seems pretty good. And even with my X3, even I got a replacement from Edifier. They actually done a pretty good job to do a quick replacement as well. And my TWS1 as well, same issue where the earbud is a bit loose, so sometimes it's still, whenever you put it back, it's still connected to my phone. And sometimes when I'm answering a phone call, it's just really, how do I say it? It's more like I don't know where the sounds go to, so I have to mess around with the placement as well. Other than that, I think this is a very good choice, like seriously a good choice. If you guys, I mean super cheap, 20 something, and the earbuds works well as well. I use it for watching a lot of movie content and also playing games, not so much because I don't really play games on my phone a lot now, because ever since Genshin, I can just play it on my computer. And yeah, other than that, it's actually pretty good. The price itself is even better, even though now it's a tad bit more expensive, around 30 something, but I think it's still worth to buy. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video informative, and I'll catch you guys next time. And also remember to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, links down below. And also do remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell button as well. So yeah, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!